So in this SwagBucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to redeem SwagBucks for a PayPal gift card here on the SwagBucks application. So once the app is opened up, go to the bottom right and press on the three dots or the more icon. Once you're on this page, go to the top left and press on Redeem SB. Once you're here, you can just simply scroll down to where it says All Rewards, and in this case, you want to go ahead and get a PayPal gift card. Just scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says PayPal, and then go ahead and select that. Now, in my situation, to get a $10 PayPal gift card, I believe you're going to need 830 SwagBucks. And if you go ahead and have that, you can see a bunch of different options here. So there's $10, 25, 50, 100, etc. And if you want to do the exchange, press on it, press submit, and then follow the steps that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can redeem SwagBucks for a PayPal gift card here on SwagBucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.